Hello everyone, and welcome to another tutorial on how to fill out your real estate transactional forms. In this video, we're going to go over the New York State Housing and Anti-Discrimination Disclosure Form. It is just 2 pages long, but the information is very important. So really quick, let's go over the first paragraph. The federal, state, and local fair housing and anti-discrimination laws provide comprehensive protections from discrimination in housing. So real estate brokers and real estate salespersons and their employees and agents violate the law if they discriminate based on any protected characteristics when negotiating a sale, negotiate discriminatory terms of sale, discriminate based on any protected characteristics because it is the present preference of a seller or landlord, discriminate by steering, which occurs when a real estate professional guides prospective buyers or renters towards or away from a certain neighborhood, etc. Discriminate by blockbusting, which occurs when a real estate professional represents that a change has occurred or may occur in future in the composition of a block, and so on. Discriminate by pressuring a client or employee to violate the law, express any discrimination because of any protected characteristics by any statement, and so on. It's pretty self-explanatory, this discrimination form. The person does have the right to file a complaint. If you believe you have been the victim of a housing discrimination, you should file a complaint with the New York State Division of Human Rights. We have a website here where you can download the compliance, stop by a DHR office in person, or contact one of the division's offices. Here in this link, your client can download a list of available locations. And let's continue down. And here is the acknowledgement of the anti-discrimination disclosure form. So to fill this out, this form was provided to me by the real estate salesperson. Here you would enter your real estate salesperson's name, broker of your real estate office. Here you would type or enter or write your the name of your real estate company, and then here would be we, people receiving this document, whether it's the buyer, tenant, seller, or landlord, acknowledge the receipt of a copy of this disclosure form. Then down below we have 2 spots for the signature if it's one person that is signing it, as well the date, and then here we have the second slot for the second person to sign and enter the date that they acknowledge this disclosure. So the real estate broker and real estate salesperson are required by New York State law to provide this disclosure form to all your clients, to you in this case. And that is a wrap for this tutorial. Very easy. You can take your time to read it thoroughly through. Thank you so much for watching the New York State Housing and Anti-Discrimination Disclosure Form tutorial, and we will see you in the next video.